Welcome to Basic Matrix Manipulations in R. Today we're going to take a self-made dataset made in R and look at a brief look at body mass index in Celtics players. We're going to compare Hall of Famers with current players. In this video we're just going to look at Hall of Fame players such as Ed Macaulay, Bob Cousy, Bill Russell, John Havlicek, and other Hall of Fame Celtic players such as Bill Walton and the great Larry Bird. So let us enter R, and we're going to create, given our data set above, which is very unstructured, we are just going to create our own data set. So we're going to name height.hall.fame, and we're going to use the combine function, which is C in parentheses, and we're going to give them their height. So 6'8" is 80, 6'1" is 73 inches, 6'10" is 82 inches, and so on. So that is going to give each of their heights in a vector in their rows. And here is an example of just the simple conversion. And we're going to give a look of how to use the combine function by using our help and then just typing in C for the combine function. And in our bottom right window we can just see how to use it. And you can do this on your own in order to clarify some things. So next we're going to create a name. So we're going to do very similar to what we just did. We're going to take the order and label them in quotations Macaulay for our first entry, and after that a comma after the quotations, and then Cousy, and after that another comma, and then Russell, once again in quotations, and then Havlicek in quotations with a comma, then Walton similarly, and then finally with Bird. So now we have our two rows of values with 6 columns, and we're just going to use the help function to row bind after we enter the values using command enter. So row bind is a way to combine these rows, and we're just going to use name.hall.fame with height.hall.fame and command enter, and now we have a data frame with both these rows, and we're going to use the help function, and it's just a way to clarify any misconceptions that we have. And notice we can add a C bind which combines columns also. So to conclude this video, we're just going to combine these into another data set using rowbind or data frame. So names.hall.fame, height.hall.fame, which we've already done. And we notice on the console